Today we're looking at 5 themes of geography: Russia, location. As with all of our readings, you should begin by reviewing the questions you're going to need to answer regarding the reading before you actually do the reading, so you know what you're reading, what you're looking for in the reading. So the first of the 6 questions is, what type of government did Russia have before 1917? Across which 2 continents does Russia span? Identify the absolute location of the following cities. Remember, absolute location refers to the latitude and longitude coordinates of a specific city. You will need to Google this. Describe the relative location of the country of Russia. This is in the reading, but you may want to Google it as well. Define communism. Communism is a form of government. Define monarchy. Monarchy is also a form of government. So now we'll begin our reading, and you'll note that I have already highlighted passages that I think are important to helping you answer these questions. The country of Russia and the independent republics that surround it make up nearly 1/6 of the Earth's land. These countries span 2 continents, Europe and Asia. Due to the vastness and great diversity of the land and its peoples, many different climates and types of vegetation are present. Russia's absolute location is approximately 30 to 175 degrees east latitude and 50 to 75 degrees north longitude. The traditional date for the founding of Russia by Vikings along the Dnieper River is AD 862. Russia was once many different kingdoms ruled by princes. These kingdoms eventually came together and were ruled by one leader. The people worked to support their leader. In 1917, Russia was a monarchy, a government ruled by a king or queen. In the case of Russia, the leader was called a czar. The monarchy was overthrown in a revolution, and the revolutionaries established a communist form of government. Communism is a type of government where the state owns or controls all of the major industries, the press, or the media, and the distribution of goods and services. This country was called the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, USSR. In 1991, the people again led a revolution and the Soviet Union collapsed. Today, the region is known as Russia and the Russian Federation. Russia is located in the eastern half of Europe. In Asia, it extends south to the Caspian Sea and is bordered by the Pacific Ocean on the east and the Arctic Ocean to the north. Russian climates are typically cool because Russia is located further north of the equator than other countries. Russia has access to the seas from the north, but in winter weather, much is frozen over. Many areas of land, including Siberia, are barren and cannot be farmed. As a result, the population is largely located in western Russia, a part of the country on the European continent. Cities such as Moscow and St. Petersburg have large populations, while towns in eastern Russia are virtually ghost towns. Relatively speaking, a part of the landmass of Russia is close to most areas of the world. It stretches approximately 140 degrees of longitude in the eastern hemisphere and over 30 degrees of latitude in the northern hemisphere. At one time, Russia owned the area of the United States known today as the state of Alaska. As always, please respond to the questions, and when you're done, scan or take a picture and turn it in Google Classroom. There is also a digital copy of these questions in Google Classroom that has been shared with you if you would like to type your answers. Good luck!